Hi folks, in this video I'll take you through the process of creating a new song with automatically scrolling lyrics in the Live Looper app in the easiest way possible. We'll use a single audio file to create our song, but we won't bother to identify the separate parts of our song that would allow us to take advantage of the ability to loop parts and dynamically change song progression. Instead, we'll just simply select an audio file and then add and train lyrics so that they scroll automatically when our song plays. If you want to take advantage of the Live Looper app's looping and dynamic song progression capabilities, use the links to the Create New Song with Loopable Part videos that are provided in the description for this video. So with that, let's create a new song. To create a new song, we go to the menu and select New Song. The app will prompt you to select one or more audio files for your song. Go ahead and click OK on that prompt, and we'll get a file browser. And we'll just simply browse to the location of our audio file. In this case, it's in my music folder here. And what I've got here is a song that contains the full backing track for the song Wonderful Tonight. So I'll go ahead and select that audio file and click Open. If the audio file you select is not already in a Live Looper app song folder, the app will prompt you to select the song folder that you want to use for your new song. Go ahead and click OK on this prompt, and here is where I can create or select the song folder that I want to use for my new song. Now, when we ship the app, we ship it with a sample artist folder and sample song folder, so you can see how we organize those folders underneath the Live Looper data folder. Now in this case my song is Wonderful Tonight by Eric Clapton. I don't have an Eric Clapton artist folder yet, so I'm going to click here to add one, and we'll give it a name, Eric Clapton. And we need a new song folder for Wonderful Tonight, Wonderful Tonight, and we'll go ahead and click on OK. Now I've got my new song folder where my new song will be stored. I'll go ahead and click OK. The app loads the default values for your song into the Create New Song screen based upon your audio file selection. You can go ahead and make any changes you want here in this screen. In this case though, we're just going to accept the default values, and we're going to click on Add New Song to create this new song. Now that we've created our song, let's go ahead and add some lyrics to it. The easiest way to get lyrics is to go out to the web and run a web search. I'll search for Wonderful Tonight lyrics. There's the lyrics right there. Let's expand that a little bit so we get all the lyrics for the song. We'll just highlight those, right click and copy, and we'll go to the Live Looper app, go to the menu, select Lyrics, Edit Lyrics, and paste. We can also make any edits we want at this point to these lyrics, like for example the song starts with a guitar solo, so let's indicate that. And then let's, just so you can see how we handle chords, let's put a couple chords in here. Let's say we got a G chord here, and this won't be exactly right, but for purposes of showing you how this works, let's put some chords in there and we'll update. Okay, so there's our song with the lyrics, with the information I added, including the chords. You notice the chords are displayed above the lyrics. There's a bunch of different options available for that. If we go under Settings here and look at the lyric chord display options, the default is chords above. I can also display them embedded within the lyrics. We can hide the chords in the lyrics. We'll leave it at the default value, chords above though. The next thing we want to do is teach the Live Looper app the timing of our lyric changes while the song is playing. To do this, we'll go to the menu and select Lyrics, Train Entire Song. Lyric training takes place in two phases. The app will ask us if we want to start phase 1 and tell us what phase 1 is and how it works. But since I'm going to walk you through that process, I'm just going to go ahead and click Yes here. Next, the app will ask if we want to switch to embedded chord lyric display. for training purposes because this simplifies the training. And I'll go ahead and click yes. What you'll see is right now the chords are displayed above the lyrics, but for training purposes it's much easier if they're embedded. So I'll click yes and you'll see now they're embedded. In phase 1, we ask you to show us the first lyric line for each part of your song. Now, because of the simple approach we took in creating this song only has one part. So all we need to do in phase 1 here is select the first line, which is the first lyric line for the one and only part of our song, and then click first lyric. At that point, we move on to phase 2. In phase 2, the app plays your song and asks you to move the cursor through the lyrics in time with the music. You can move through the lyric using your mouse, your finger, or the arrows on your keyboard. I tend to use the arrows on the keyboard to do it, so that's what I'll do here. The prompt here that you see here explains all that information that I just shared with you, so I'll go ahead and click yes to start phase 2. At this point, it's going to start playing the song. It's going to start with a guitar solo, as I mentioned. I'll just hum it. One more time. Okay, now we're getting to verse 1. It's late in the evening. I just moved my cursor using the arrow. She's wondering what clothes to wear. Move the cursor again. She puts on her makeup and brushes her long blonde hair. Move the cursor again. And then she'll ask me, do I look alright? Cursor again, and I say yes, you look wonderful tonight. Okay, good enough. I would, of course, go through the entire song, start to finish, and train all the lyrics, but just to give you the idea, I wanted to go through a couple lines of lyric. Now what you'll see is when I play this song, the lyrics will scroll automatically. We're going to have to wait to get through the guitar solo first. There it goes, moving automatically. It's late in the evening. She's wondering what clothes to wear. She puts on her makeup. And you can see the lyrics are moving automatically in time with the music, just as I train them. And I'll go ahead and stop the song. So basically, that is the process of training lyrics. And that's really it for creating a new song in the Live Looper app using a single audio file with lyrics but no loopable parts. We hope you found this video to be informative. Feel free to leave comments and please consider subscribing to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching and using the Live Looper app. We hope you enjoy using the app as much as we do. Have a great day and take care.